Nous sommes à quelle page, Nancy?
134.
134. Merci. So it's basically what we have seen earlier about the past tense. So we shall learn a few things about how to say things in the past. Donc, present tense of I go, c'est quoi, one boy? I go or I'm going.
Je vais.
Je vais. Très bien. Je vais. I go or I'm going. I went, Nancy.
Je suis allé.
Je suis allé. So remember what I was telling you first? Before you learn like how to construct these things, the one that you will use a lot, like in this case, which is I go, I went. The first thing you do is you memorize it. So you just know if I want to say I went, I'll say je suis allé. Then you'll figure out as you move along how we construct it.
Oui.
Because if you think too much about the rules, you'll never speak a language. So you first need to hear something, then repeat it over and over. Then once in a while, you'll figure out how you come up with it. Ça va?
Oui.
I went is je suis allé. And if you're a lady, you add an extra e. So we'll find out details about that as we move along. Some verbs form the past tense part of être, which you have seen before. Basically, the same thing I'm saying is what they're telling you. For now, just practice saying it. Je suis allé, I went. We shall learn more about past tense in stage 2. Très bien. Donc, lis le titre pour nous, Nancy.
Un bon week-end.
Très bien. Un bon week-end, a good weekend.
Oui.
Let's do this conversation very quickly. One boy commence and then Nancy va répondre.
Tu as passé un bon week-end?
Oui. Je suis allé à Paris. Et toi?
Je suis allé au parc Astérix.
Très bien. Tu as passé un bon week-end? Oui, je suis allé à Paris. Et toi? Je suis allé au parc Astérix. En anglais, one boy? So don't try to think of the word-for-word translation. Try to think of what the general question means.
I'll just ask, did you have a good weekend?
That's basically what it is. Did you have a good weekend? Et la réponse, Nancy? En anglais?
Yes, I went to Paris. And you?
I went to the Asterix Park.
Très bien. I went to the Asterix Park. Did you have a question, one boy?
Oui. I'm not getting how tu as passé is becoming you had a good weekend.
So normally we use le verb passer, as you mentioned, to say like to spend, not money, but like a weekend or the holidays. So I can say, je passe mes vacances en France. What do you think that would mean? That is present tense. Je passe mes vacances en France.
I spent my weekend in France.
Close enough. Mes vacances.
Sorry, my holiday.
Oui, I spent my holidays in France. So basically, it's spent in that context. That's how we normally use passer.
Okay.
Très bien. Une autre question?